Hey guys, my name is Robert Barry, and I'm coming to you today to bring a very exciting video uh, with an opportunity that I've just joined and I'm having great success with. And so I just wanted to take this opportunity to show many of you how you can start an online business today and be very, very successful. And as a bonus, for those of you that join me in my opportunity, I have strategies I'm going to give to you, the exact strategies that I use in my business to get persons to join. And so what I want to do at this time, just for transparency purposes, I want to go over to Google and type in the time, so you guys are able to see that I am a real person and I am recording this video at the time that I am recording the video. And so just before I do that, I want to just give you guys a little background on myself. I'm out here living in the Bahamas. I'm a single father of one. I'm a full-time bartender working my online business part-time. All right. And so having said that, guys, I'm going to go over here to Google. And so you're able to see, I just checked this a few minutes ago, so I just refresh it. And here we go, guys. You can see that the time is 9:43 a.m. Wednesday, the 21st of November. And so the reason why I did this, guys, like I said, is to show transparency that I am a real person and I am recording the video live at the time that I am recording the video. All right, so I want to go back over to my 25 one up video, dashboard. And so guys, you can see I am at the platinum level in $25 one up, and the cost for this level is $100, and there's a $10 admin fee. And so like I said, guys, once you join me in this business, I will give you my exact advertising strategies that is getting me awesome results. And just to show you that I'm getting awesome results, what I want to do at this time is I'm going to take you very quickly over to my email box where you can see that I am getting my business in the front of eyeballs. And so let's go over here to Google. Okay, let's refresh this as well. $25 one up. As you can see here, the very first line, it says new contact from capture page. And so the number you see is 64. And so for the morning, I've already gotten 64 persons to take a look at my business. Okay, as of 12:38 a.m. this morning, 6 persons already went ahead and created their account. All right, and so as you can see, as I scroll up, new $25 one up payment. All right, guys, so this person went ahead and I made a $25 commission from that person. All right, so I'm showing you proof that I am getting leads. I'm showing you proof that persons are going ahead and creating their account. I'm showing you income proof as well. All right, and so as you can see, $25 one up, 4, $25 one up, 2, $25 one up. 80% were interested in checking out my capture page. 6 persons went ahead and created their new account. All right, so $25 one up, $25 one up, $25 one up, $25 one up. Payment created. Sorry, new account created. All right, so as you can see, this is proof. And I want to show other persons on how they can go ahead and get the exact same results. As a matter of fact, guys, what I want to do is I'm actually going to do what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take you over now to the Facebook page, so you guys can actually see that it's not only me that is having success within this business, but there are other persons that are doing far better than I am. But the main idea is to show you that it's not only me that is having great success with this business. And so I'm going to go over to the Facebook page at this moment. All right. And just before I do that, I'm going to show you what my Facebook page is. And so you guys can actually send me a Facebook friend request. My name is Robert Barry. I'm just going to scroll down here so you get an idea as to the type of information I provide on my Facebook page. All right. I know sometimes when you go ahead and you punch in people's name, you have a bunch of persons that actually have the same name as you around the world. And so you're going to see all of this stuff. I'm providing information. Here you can see I had a business partner. She made 250 bucks yesterday, and over the last 365 days, she made a couple of $1,000. So there you have it, guys. But what I want to do at this time is go over to the actual Facebook group. All right, so $25 one up. And guys, this is where everything happens. This is the engine of the $25 one up. And so once you go ahead and you create your free account and you go ahead and send me a Facebook friend request, this is the group that I'm going to add you. Here we go. We have Christopher. Boom. A back-to-back 500 plus days. So as you can see where the two arrows are, he's had two $500 days. And so this is where we share our proof and information in what works. See, Adriana just showed you a few minutes ago where she had 250 bucks yesterday, and she's made quite a bit so far. And here's my sponsor commenting. That's how we do it. Enjoy, and everybody can win, and that is so true. And this is also where we add persons and we welcome in, we invite them to have a look around. Here's Maria. Welcome to the group. Janet Lofus to the group. So this is it, guys. You know, I'm very excited to be showing you guys inside of this group. I want to show you guys the photos. The photos is where it happens. All right, so here's a business partner. He's made over 9,000. He had a $125 day. All right. See, this is me showing my payment proof. I made $25. And there's a lot of information. This person had a $500 day, and this stuff is powerful, guys. Here I am showing more persons interested in my business, and persons just come to this group and they provide value, guys, and that's what it's all about. And so like I said, guys, once you come in and you join my team, I'm going to show you my exact strategies that I use inside of my business to be successful. All right, so you guys have a blessed day, be good, and I'll see you in another video shortly.